What's up, guys? We are back. We got a special treat coming up this weekend, and we are here to prepare today. Hopefully gonna get to put in some work on the Lexus, but we got a special trip coming. All I'm gonna say so far. So we got to do an oil change on Nissan. Turn on the hazards. Do the hazards kick on? Alright, guys, we are on our way back to Cali. I got the car back there on the trailer. We're ready to go. So now we're just stopping at a McDonald's just before we make our trip back out to California. I loaded up on the trailer, ready to go. Made a little pit stop to use the restroom. This is our first stop in the trip back to California. Wow, look at all the mountains, or rocks, whatever you want to call them. I don't think they're big enough to be mountains. Maybe it'd be awesome to go climb up to the top of those things. Bet you it's gonna be hot though. So made another stop to get some gas. This is our second stop on our trip back to Cali. Alright, guys, so we just crossed the state line. We are now back in Cali, and I would have filmed it, but I was too busy looking at it and enjoying the state line. So it's always good to look at the Colorado River. So she's still back there. Everything is peachy. I got my spotter back there. We're all good. Alright, almost home, man. Right here at Cabazon. That's Morongo right there. About to make another stop yet again. Stretch our legs. Check everything in the back. Alright, we'll see you when we're there. Aha! Back in Cali.